Hello, in this video we'll be unboxing TCL 30 SE. So in front of me I got it's packaged, and here is the tape, so it's never been opened, and we'll be opening it the first time. On this side of the cover we can see some specifications, not as much about the phone hardware, but we can see that the phone should be in the space gray colors. On the back we can see some specification, and here is the 50 megapixels camera, 128 gigabytes of storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 5000 milliampere hours of battery, and a screen with 6.52 inches HD plus, and also the octa-core processor. So after we've read everything here, we can actually cut the cape and proceed with opening it. In the meantime, the price goes around $160 when I record this video, and it will be published in today. So yeah, we managed to open it, and instantly we can see our phone. If you open it, be careful not to do it like this, because it can open and then your phone can fall off. So hold it with your finger here. I would recommend that. So now let's open it. Take out our phone. So here's how it's packaged. Let's move it to the side. We have some codes here. The code, and here's in this, be careful, because in this package there's actually needle for your SIM card and all the stuff like that. So keep it safe somewhere, don't throw it out. Here's some services. We can also find instruction, so it's in form of a very big wallpaper, let's say. Quick start guide, which you can of course read in order to get some things done, like how to insert the SD card. Here you can see what is actually on your phone, where to locate the fingerprint scanner, its camera, flashlight, and NFC scanner, USB port, power on or off, volume down, volume up, front camera, and a jack plug. Okay, more instructions. So this one is just normal instruction. You can read it if you found any trouble using it. Here's the charger. It's probably some basic one. Okay, USB port, probably type C. Yep, type C. And USB, of course, normal stuff. Let's put it aside. Here's some hard cardboard. There shouldn't be anything beneath it. No. Okay, so let's actually check out our phone. So here's the phone. We can simply slide it out like that. It has installed some cover in order to protect the screen. You can also see some performance hardware information about it in front of the screen. On the back we can see the cover, chromatic, it's gray as it said on the box, and some information right here. Okay, now let's check all the buttons and stuff like that. Here's the SIM card. Here's the jack, speaker, power on or off, volume down, volume up, another speakers. Oh, that's microphone, I'm sorry. So here's the microphone, and here you can find the speakers and the charger port type C. Here's camera, the flashlight, and the fingerprint scanner. So we have everything. Nice cover, I like that. Let's try to peel off the screen protection. And power up our phone. So this should be running on Android 12, but it also uses the TCL UI 4.0. Here we can begin the setup of our phone. We have a nice hello and the language options. So you can pick in which language you're gonna use this phone. Let's choose English for that. We can also do emergency call if needed, hope not. And vision settings, if you found any trouble with seeing stuff, you can increase the font size, change magnification, select to speak or talk back. Now let's start our phone with English language chosen. So if you have the SIM card, the mobile network, it will ask if you want to use your mobile network. I don't have the SIM card installed. You can of course install it right here. There's a needle which I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Simply open it up with a needle and then insert your SIM card. Now let's skip this mobile network. Here you can connect to any Wi-Fi network, and I'm not gonna do that right now. Let's just go through all the setup. But if you want, just pick the network you have password for and then simply insert the password and you'll be able to log in without any problem. Setup offline. Continue. Here you can choose the date and time. So you can set it to automatic date and time. Use network provided time. If you disable both of the settings, you can change the time zone. You can change the date for a specific day, month, or year. You can choose the time you want. Use location to set the time zone. So I would recommend using automatic date and time, because you might encounter some problems if you change the time or date to not be actual as it is right now. Some websites or your Google Play Store might stop working. Now another thing is to use local default or use 24-hour format. If you don't like it, simply turn it off. Now let's move to the next step. And here we can accept to some Google services. Of course you can do any of this, there's no need to accept to all of them. Just customize it however you want. Press accept. You can set up a fingerprint already in order to unlock your phone. So actually let's try that. Let's move to the next step. Choose which password you want to use along with your fingerprint scanner. So I would use the password. If you're not sure that you're gonna remember that, try actually writing it somewhere, because if you forget it, it might be hard to recover your phone and it would be a big trouble. So write any password and then write it on some paper to remember it, or if you're sure that you will remember it. Now let's move to the next step and go for another confirmation of the password. And we can start scanning our finger. So let's move to the next step. And here you can find the sensor. Simply put your finger on it and just follow the instructions that are shown on your phone until the process is complete. So one finger is added. Of course, you can rename it if you want to give it a specific name, or add multiple fingers later in the settings. Now let's move to the next settings, and you can also unlock your phone with a face. I'm not gonna do that. You can of course press next and then follows the instructions to be able to unlock your TCL with face. Now let's skip that. And next, deep vision. Actually, I would recommend enabling all of it because as you can see, it makes some of the pictures much better looking, and all visuals on your phone will be a lot more beautiful than they are without it. So enable all of them like that, so they are glowing on the blue, this little switch, and then press next. Choose the lock screen setup. You can use the TCL style, its default one, or the classic normal one. I'm gonna use the classic one for this example. System navigation, you can pick buttons and then change their order right here. You can also set up gestures navigations if you prefer one. It's your choice, pick whatever you want. I'm going with buttons. Setup is complete, we can press finish. Agree to privacy policy and all the agreements that were left there, and then skip that if you want. You can of course join, it's always your choice. I'm gonna skip that, and the phone is ready. It's unlocked already, and we can actually check some settings. So let's go for the settings and see the device information. We need to go for the system, about phone, and here we can find all information about our device. Its display 720 by 1600, 1600. Front camera, which is 8 megapixels, and rear camera, which is 15 megapixels with 2 megapixels with 2 megapixels. Storage is 128 gigabytes. CPU is MTK G25. You can see the TCL UA version, which I mentioned, and Android version as well. You can find battery capacity, which is 5000 mAh. Its model name, some legal information, build number, status, or other specs. Let's try taking some photos and checking quality on our camera. Now let's go for the gallery, find our pictures. So I made 4 of them, and here you can see some planned. Actually, I like the quality, it's pretty nice. My hands were a bit shaky, but it kept its quality. Very nice picture. Now let's go for our logo, because it's a bit glowy, and let's see how many details are captured. So I think it did pretty okay, because for me it's really glowy, and here on the picture it's very saturated, and I like it. Okay, so I would recommend that camera. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.